Hello, my purse peeps. As you may know, the I Love Dooney store on eBay had a huge sale for Labor Day. I mean, prices that were lower than I've ever seen them before. So today, what I want to share is what I picked up to take advantage of those fantastic prices. I think you'll be very interested in seeing what I got, so please stay tuned. Okay, so let me go ahead and get started. First things first, my nail polish of the day is China Glaze. Hopefully that's showing up for you. And the color is 1086 and it's called Under the Boardwalk. Now, let's dig right in and get started here. Open them up. I'll open up this smaller box first. This is the Dooney and Bourke crossbody pochette, and it's in black, and the color, or I'm sorry, the item is $1.99 out of 200, so I guess I cut it close. That I did not even realize that I Love Dooney had a store on eBay. So when Dooney Addict 615 did her PSA and was sharing some of the great prices, I just had to check them out. So this is the crossbody pochette, and this one again is in the color black. It's in nylon. It's like the heavy nylon material. And the price on this baby during the sale was $27.30. So I could not pass that up. I have never seen this bag at such a low price before. And just to give you a point of comparison, this bag on I Love Dooney right now is, or actually on DooneyandBourke.com, this bag is $103.60. Again, I got it for $27.30 during that sale. On I Love Dooney, it's cheaper at $73.50, but still nowhere near $27.30. Even when I Love Dooney has their 30% off sales, that would put it at $51.45, still nowhere near $27.30. So let me tell you a little bit about the Dooney and Bourke nylon crossbody pochette shoulder bag. So as you can see, she does have a long strap. The strap drop on this bag is 25 inches. She has a height of 6.25 inches. She has a width of 2.5 inches, and she has a length of 8.5 inches. In the inside, let me show you how she looks. She does have the Dooney key keeper, and she has a zip pocket on the back. She has the Dooney patch on the back as well. Let's see if I can open that up. She also has a slip pocket. She has the braided zipper pulls, which is nice, and she has the zipper pull in leather in the inside on the zip pocket as well. And she has the prominent Dooney duck on the front, as with all of the Dooney and Bourke nylon pieces. So this one is in the color black. Let me keep it going here. So great sale on that one. Okay, so I did a thing. How can you pass up the price of $27.30? So because of that, I got 4 colors in total. And I can tell you the I Love Dooney store on eBay will now be my favorite place to peruse for great deals, because obviously that is what they have when they have a sale. This one is in the color light blue, and it's 117 out of 248. And how pretty is that color? So I obviously won't go through the details, just showing the color now. So this was my second Dooney and Bourke nylon crossbody pochette, and I got her in the color light blue. This next one and come on, I couldn't pass up $27.30. And I shared in a prior video that I often use these sales to enhance my collection. So this was a great opportunity to do so. How pretty is this one in red? And this one is number 425 out of 484. I just dropped the card there. But just as a FYI, how pretty is this red? Okay. And then I believe this is the final pochette. And check her out. She is in the color navy. And it is $4.49 out of $4.89. You're interested in that. So this is navy. I shared before that I like to get a set of different colors. So in a prior video, I shared that I gotten the Erica as well as the editor's tote in this blue, as well as a wristlet pouch in this blue. So this just adds to my nylon navy blue collection, and I will put a card to that video if you're interested in seeing that set. Okay, so those are my Dooney and Bourke nylon crossbody pochette shoulder bags. $27.30. Unbelievable. Check it out. We're seeing a trend here. Like I indicated, I like to increase my collection, so I got and snag a set when I can. So to match my red pochette, I also picked up the nylon Erica in red, and this nylon Erica was on sale for $48.30. And I have a video on the Erica that I will attach a card to this video so you can get all the information on Erica, her dimensions, and various information about this beautiful nylon bag. So this is the Dooney and Bourke nylon large Erica during the sale, $48.30. As a point of reference, generally this bag at Dooney, as well as I Love Dooney right now, is $126. So this was $48.30 down from $126. Even if it was on the 30% off sales, it would still be $88.20. So it was an awesome sale. Again, I will make sure to keep the I Love Dooney store on my list of areas to shop. All right, so this last bag from that fantastic sale to get my collection of red nylon going here is a bag that, would you believe, I don't have in my collection. Sometimes I feel like I have every Dooney bag there is, but I do not have this beauty. And this is the East-West Shopper, and it is in red. Number 5 of 6. Not sure if they were low stock on this one, but it's the East-West Shopper. And let me tell you a little bit about the East-West Shopper. Check her out. This is the East-West Shopper, again in the color red to match my red set. And this bag was $62.30 during the sale. Dooney and I Love Dooney both currently have this bag for $193.50. So this was a fantastic deal to get it for $62.30. And how gorgeous is this bag? So let me tell you a little bit about her. She does have 4 feet at the bottom. She is in the nylon. She has the beautiful Sierra leather trim. And if you can see here, it is lined in yellow, which is very pretty. It has the prominent leather patch up front. It has adjustable straps, so you can make these longer or shorter. And the handle drop is 9 inches, up to 9 inches. And look at the pretty details on the inside. You can see she has a snap closure all around. So 3 snaps, and this one's magnetic. She has the Dooney patch on the back. She has the zippered pocket collared in leather. She also has a slip pocket. She also has on the front 2 slip pockets, and she has a pretty nice capacity here. She has her key keeper, which is common in the Dooney bags, but a very nice size shopper to match the pochette as well as the Erica. A nice little red set here with all of my paper. I have one final unboxing that was not a part of the Labor Day sale, but it is an item that was in my Dooney boxing backlog here. So let me open that up and share that with you. Okay, so this final unboxing. I think you may have seen this before on other channels, but when I saw it, I had to pick her up. And as you can see, this is the Dooney and Bourke framed coin purse in the DB75 multi print. Beautiful little coin purse to keep my smaller items. And as you can see by her color, she will be very easy to match with various color bags, which is why I purchased her. You may have saw a previous video where I have several bags with this print. Most recently, I unboxed the Tasha drawstring, which I will include a card for that video if you're interested. She has 1, 2, 3. I think that's a 3rd slot there, maybe. 2 credit card slots on each side, so a total of 4. Very pretty gold tone hardware. The beautiful Dooney plate on the front. And this is the DB75 multi large framed coin purse. So thank you all for joining me. I appreciate you taking the time to come and view my videos. I appreciate your engagement. I appreciate my new and existing subscribers. And I asked, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe if you like these types of videos. Thank you so much for joining me, and we will talk soon.